welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully you all are having a wonderful day wherever you are. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of a bundle that I did go ahead and purchase from shop Krylx. Now I have been having my eye on this company for a while, and I happened to catch them on sale. Of course, all the sales for Black Friday. So I decided to go ahead and make a purchase for a 8-piece bundle kit, which also includes a monomer and a free gift. So I couldn't pass that up, or you couldn't beat that with a stick. So I went ahead and created my bundle on her website. So of course the box came today. I did go ahead and take off all of my address information, and as you can see, I still left this side taped, but this side wasn't taped. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this side of the box, and then we are gonna go ahead and open the packaging. So, all right, so I went ahead and I zoomed out a little bit so we can kind of get this first impression of opening up this box. Now, I hope there's no packing slip in here, but if it is, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this really quickly. And it doesn't seem like there is one. Okay, so we'll roll with that. So let's go ahead and let's open up the box. And this is the first impression from the box, nicely packaged. And it's super cute, especially the aesthetics. Love it. So they do have a Krylx card in here, which is super cute. It's like embossed. I think that's what you call that. Could be wrong. Don't hold it to my head, okay? So this is a nice little envelope. So let's see what's in. Oh man. Let's see what's in the envelope. Making sure you ain't getting through that envelope. So that's a good thing, okay? We need some good adhesive to open this up. All right, it's even stuck to my glove, real nice. So let's see what's in here. Oh, so my packing slip is in here. This is super cute. So yes, my packing slip is in here with a little QR code, and it says, "We are proud to offer route package protection as an option for your order. Please inspect the order upon receipt. Be sure to have all packing materials and damaged goods, as they may need to be completed with your claim." Oh, super cute. Love that. So yes, this I did go ahead and order the 8-piece color acrylic plus the monomer bundle plus a free item. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. So I believe that this would be my free item here, which is a soak off top coats. I believe that this is what this is. Super cute packaging. Love it. Really cute. Let's go ahead and open this up. The packaging, the bottle is super cute. Also, this is a velvet matte top coat. So it doesn't indicate that on the side, but it is a velvet matte non-wipe top coat. Love it. Love the bottle. Alrighty. Doesn't seem like it has a strong odor at the moment, but it's only been open for a millisecond. So that will be the free gift. And then of course, like I said, I got the 8-piece bundle with the monomer. So I'm going to assume this is the monomer. It came nice and bubble wrapped. So here is the packaging, super cute. For professional use only. Love it. So MMA free, non-yellowing, soap leveling, and premium adhesion. So you can find Krylx on all of the social media. Looks like it comes with a dropper, but let's go ahead and let's open this. Oh man, This is a 6.5 ounce of monomer. Love it. This is cute, and this is glass. It's the Aesthetics. It comes with a little dropper and a sealer. Okay, let's open this. Oh, so you will have to attach your own dropper in here. I like that you can have the option. You could pour it out. Yep, this definitely smells like monomer. It's not strong. Definitely reminds me of the Young Nails monomer for sure. But I like that you have that option to go ahead and attach your own dropper if you would like to. So that's super cute. And the dropper is in here. Let me just go ahead and open that up. Let me close this up just in case a freak accident might happen, because Lord forbid, it might happen. Who knows? Okay. So yes, so here is the dropper that you can put right into the top. I love that. Cute. Okay, so we're gonna put that in here because I'm not going to insert that into the bottle just yet. Definitely love that. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get into this. This is actually wrapped like it's a gift, okay? So let's put that over to the side. Here we are with the packaging. Look at the tissue paper. It's definitely wrapped like this is a present for sure. Love that. So let's go ahead and let's try to zoom in just a little bit. All right, so as pretty as this packaging is, I don't even want to, you know how you feel like a kid on Christmas, how you just want to tear it open and get right to business. But yeah, I'm gonna have to be pretty and dainty with this because this is really cute. I think I want to get some photos first. Hold please. All right, so I went ahead and took a few photos of this, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So I am, like I said before, I am going to be dainty with this paper because it's just so cute. You know what? Let me go from the other side. Who's proper when it comes to ripping off tissue paper? This is cute. And look, she even taped it on the box just like a normal present would be taped. Cute. All right, so here we are with the box, and it even has Krylx on the box. Talk about branding. Branding, yes. All right, so let's go ahead and let's open. Are you ready? Ooh, yes. So these were the colors that I chose. Again, this is a 8-piece make your own bundle. You get a chance to pick your own colors, and they come to you. So of course, I love the names, right? Of course I had to get a aqua. Look at this. Okay, we'll get into the packaging in a second. Super cute. I got a banana, cotton candy, crush, I got a ultra glow, I got pickle, I got Malibu, super cute, and my last one was mellow yellow. So this is cute. The container that this comes in is cute. Like, I could just store this in my drawer just like this, and I don't have to get rid of the box. It sits nice and neat in there. Super cute, right? Okay, so let's take a look. Ah, look at this. It's on the top of the lid. Yes, ma'am. You really put some thought into this. Love it. And of course, I follow her on Instagram and TikTok, and I see where she actually scans out her acrylics, which is super cute. Like, it's actually like a real store. It's cute. So let's go ahead and let's open these colors so we can take a look at them. And they do come with the protective lid. If I can get this out, but honey, this is like, there it is. So here we are. There's the aqua. And I will be doing another video for these swatches. I just wanted to come and do this video for you all with the unboxing, because I'm gonna have a huge swatch party. This one is banana. Super cute. Yes, I know it is December and Christmas time, but these colors were just so gorgeous. Cotton candy. Cotton candy sweets go. Let me see the Tootsie Roll. Okay. So got cotton candy, super cute. I got Crush. This is an orange. It reminded me of the Crush Pop. Make sure these are on there tight. This is the Ultra Glow. This one is called Pickle. Oh, this one doesn't have a Krylx top. I wonder why. Okay. Interesting. This one's called Pickle. Maybe it's an older color. Not sure on that one. This one is called Mallow Blue. Same thing with this one. It does not have the Krylx on top. There's the blue, super cute. I bet you this one is so pigmented. And y'all know every time that I make a purchase with anything, I'm definitely getting some blue in there for sure. And then this last color is called Mellow Yellow. And this one doesn't have it either. I'll definitely inquire about that, and I'll probably try to put it down in the description box if she responds to me regarding the lids. Not that it's a big deal, but just, you know, out of curiosity. And that is Mellow Yellow. Again, I am super excited to finally get a chance to try out these acrylics. I've had them on my list for a while, and yeah, super excited about that. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you all have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. Make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell so that way you'll never miss a video from me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at IamBiscuit7. If you are interested in shopping with Krylx, I will leave the link down in the description box. I am not an affiliate with this company, but however, of course, you all know I love to shop and definitely try out new brands. So I definitely will be coming back with a not part 4, part 2, okay? I definitely will be coming up with a part 2 because I will be doing swatches of these in a separate video. As always, thank you all for tuning in. Thank you so much for your love and support. I do appreciate every single one of you. I love you and I appreciate you all. And I will see you all in my next video. As always, please be safe. Make sure you love on your people. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.